Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Sophie's BioWebs. Today in this particular video I am going to discuss about biological level of organization. In the earlier video I discussed about introduction to organism and population and ecology. Ecology is the study of interaction among organisms and between the organism and their abiotic or physical environment. Before going to discuss about organism and population, we need to understand biological level of organization. When we talk about cell, when we talk about tissue or organ system, these are lower level of organization. When you talk about organism, population, community, biomes, these are higher level of organization. Let us summarize here. Atoms are aggregated to form molecules. Molecules are aggregated to form cell. Cell are aggregated to form tissue. That means group of cell is known as tissue. And tissue are aggregated to form organ. And organ are aggregated to form organ system. And organ systems are aggregated to form a beautiful organism. Group of organism or assemblage of organism is known as population. Group of population or assemblage of population is known as community. And large area on earth having similar climatic condition with plant and animal is known as biomes. From here, that means below organism to here, from atoms to below organism, this is lower level of organization. And from organism to above is known as higher level of organization. Higher level of organization. From here to here, this one is lower level of organization, and from here to above, these are known as higher level of organization. These are lower level of organization and these are higher level of organization. Now, biological level of organization which are concerned with ecology is higher level of organization. That means from organism to upwards. These are the biological levels which are concerned with ecology. And here in this chapter, organism and population, only two biological levels of organization is mainly focused in this chapter. That means organism and population is mainly focused in this chapter. This chapter is dedicated to the first two levels. That means organism and population of the biological organization. Now, what is organism? So, since we have come to know that there are four biological levels which are concerned with ecology. That means number one is organism. Number second is population. Third one is community, and the last one is biome. Biomes. These four biological level of organization which are concerned with ecology. So what is organism? Organism is nothing but a single individual of a species. For example, tiger. A single individual of tiger. Single individual of a tiger is known as organism. Single individual of deer, single individual of rhino is known as organism. But a single individual of any species is known as organism. So we can define it: single individual of a species is known as organism. Then population. What is population? Population is group of organism, assemblage of population, assemblage of organism is known as population. For example, human population of India, rhino population of Kaziranga National Park. So population is the group or assemblage of organism in a particular area. Organism is a group or assemblage, group or assemblage of organism is known as population. For example, tiger population of Kaziranga National Park, human population of India. These are population. Community is the group of population. Here population is group of organism, community is group population. Group of population of a similar area or similar habitat or similar area, geographical area of same time. That means if we consider a Kaziranga National Park, for example, this was Kaziranga National Park, KNP, where in 2020 there is tiger population, there is deer population, there is rhino population. There are three types of population in the Kaziranga National Park. Area is Kaziranga National Park and time is 2020. So in Kaziranga National Park in 2020, this tiger population, deer population and rhino population is together is known as community. That means group of population in the same area in the same time is known as community. Good. We can define community as group of population, group of population of same geographical area of same time is known as community. This is community. Condition is geographical area and time should be same. And biomes, next one is biomes. What is biome? Biome is a large area on earth of similar climatic condition having plant and animal. For example, Sahara Desert is an example, large climatic condition. So biomes is large climatic condition, large geographical area, large geographical area on earth of similar climatic condition having plants and animal is known as biome. Large geographical area on earth of similar climatic condition having plants and animal is known as biome. Thank you for watching.